Hello guys, so how to reset Instagram Explore page? This is an easy answer video that is gonna help you a lot. First thing you have to do is go to your Instagram and then you have to go into the Explore page. Now all what you wanna do is make sure to start liking the posts that you like. For example, I like this post, this one here, and this one. And if you don't like any post here, then you have to go into those three dots here and choose not interested, and do the same thing again and again, and your explore page is gonna be fixed. And after that you have to turn on the uh, airplane mode and disable it again like this. Don't forget to leave a like to this short video, and thank you so much for watching until the very end.